Hey guys, welcome into SpenCertified. Today we've got this really cool and rare product to show you. Something that is discontinued and extremely hard to find these days. It's a brand new beta tape rewinder. It rewinds your beta tapes in one direction. It allows your VCR to last longer. We have a bunch of them available. Each of them will come unopened in the original box. They come inside of this bubble wrap. Then they come with a manual, one Spanish version and an English version. And then it also comes with the warranty application to make sure it stays under warranty. Unfortunately, we probably can't use that. Let's go ahead and set it up and show you how it works. All you need to do is plug in the power cord to do this. Then you'll take your beta tape that needs to be rewound. If it doesn't need to be rewound, it's automatically going to pop it back open. If it needs to be rewound at all, it will rewind all the way to the beginning and automatically pop open. And that orange light on the front will indicate that it is rewinding. When you do put it in, make sure you put it in correctly because it does only work in one direction. If you have any beta tapes, then owning one of these is a must. They're gonna save the life of your Betamax. And if you don't have any beta tapes, then you should get some beta tapes so you can get one of these. They're great. They save wear and tear on your VCR. They offer a quick way of rewinding your beta tapes. And they automatically start and stop eject. So when they're at the end of the tape, they'll automatically pop open. Make sure you order it soon while you still can. These are extremely rare and we only have so many of them. Go to SpenCertified.com. You can call to order or order online. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.